This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact area to save so the app stores relevant details. While online, search the town, route, or region you need. This ensures streets and POIs are captured. Once you see the place card, tap the menu and pick Download or Offline Map. Do this now so your phone caches tiles, directions, and basic business info. Make sure you have enough storage. If not, delete an old offline map. This immediate step avoids scrambling when you lose service. Once done selecting the area, adjust the zoom level to include all streets and the full route. Zoom out for broader coverage, zoom in for detail. You then tap Download and optionally rename the map so it's easy to find later. Make sure the save completes. Interrupted downloads won't include all tiles. If you plan multiple regions, repeat and keep each map under the device's offline limit. Use Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and to speed up the transfer. Verify map size and storage after. To navigate offline, open Google Maps, select your places, then Offline Maps, and pick the saved area. Rely on your device GPS for live location even without internet. Offline maps provide driving routes and basic search. Walking or transit directions may be limited, so plan accordingly. If you lose the map or routing fails, reconnect briefly to update or re-download the map. This fixes missing tiles or expired data. One key troubleshooting tip: check storage permissions and available space, then re-download the specific area if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.